5 habits that make you richer. Financial mindset and long-term wealth building. Creator holding up a $1 bill or a credit card looking skeptical. Stop thinking money is the only thing that makes you rich. Real wealth starts with these 5 powerful habits. Stick around for the last one. It's the fastest way to compound your success. Let's start. Point 1, automate your savings. Number 1, pay yourself first. Before bills, before fun, set up an automatic. Transfer for 10% of your income into a separate, high-yield savings or investment account. If you don't see it, you won't spend it. Point 2, invest in your skills. Number 2, become the expert. The highest ROI, return on investment, you'll ever get is investing in a skill that increases your income. Take that course, read that specialized book, get that certification. You become irreplaceable. Point 3, master the 48-hour rule. Number 3, delay gratification. For any non-essential purchase over $50, wait 48 hours. Most impulse buys lose their appeal. This simple discipline saves thousands and prevents financial hangovers. Point 4, build a diverse network. Number 4, your network is your net worth. Rich people aren't just isolated geniuses. They surround themselves with smart, ambitious people. Stop hiding! Attend industry events and connect with mentors who are where you want to be. Point 5, the wealth multiplier. And the absolute best, review your spending weekly. A few minutes every Sunday tracking where your money went. Helps you quickly plug the leaks, the wasted subscriptions, and unnecessary charges. Small changes, massive impact over time. If you're ready to stop wishing for wealth and start building it, hit that follow button. We share actionable money tips every week. Next up, I'm breaking down the 3 biggest investment myths that keep average people broke. You don't want to miss that one. Video notes and tips.